Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to make a video, try to get some different angles here of the beautiful 14 by 40 El Chapo cabin here. And figured I'd run the camera here. Got my gas meter here in the way, but let's go this way and get you some angles. A lot of my customers are from very, very far away from us. They're not here in Indiana, so I like to make as many videos as possible, making sure you guys get all the different angles of these cabins I got on my lot, because most of my customers, they purchase these cabins without ever actually making it to my lot. So as you can see, this one's got a black 26 gauge metal roof. Let's walk around it here, and you see the construction here is 4x6 timber, stacked one on top of the other. I'm glad the temperature's warming up over here in Indiana. It was getting cold. I tried filming earlier today and my hands froze up. Feels good now. Got the sun out. Beautiful day, by the way. We're in southern Indiana on my lot. I usually have a lot more cabins here, but the Amish had me sell them because they're making out with the old in with the new type of thing. So I'm waiting on my new models to get here. Got Chicken Little over there, the chicken coop. That's Chicken Little, the chicken coop over there. We'll have to do a video for that one time. That is a cedar chicken coop, but today we're focusing on the El Chapo here. Beautiful handcrafted rails. We ship these cabins all over the country. We speak to people from all over the world here at Amish Built Cabins. We started out with just a few Amish doing this, and now there's a whole lot more of them involved in the operation, thanks to TikTok and YouTube and everything blowing up on my crazy videos here. So as you can see, this one's got this beautiful screened in porch system. Now I know you guys can't tell, but the porch system is actually 5 panels. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 panels here. And these are, when the cabin is shipped, those 5 panels are actually inside the cabin, and they have to be reassembled by one of our guys whenever your cabin gets delivered, because this whole porch system is on hinges, and the top of the porch will fold down, bottom of the porch will fold up, and that's how we're able to bring these big cabins all the way down the highway from where we're at in Indiana out to wherever you're located. So this is the front door here, which is centrally located, as you can see, in the middle part of the long section of the cabin. This right side of the front porch is open, and the left side is enclosed with the screened-in porch. So you can go in the front door, or you can come in this way, and you can walk through the glass sliding door into the main cabin. As you can see, we got a swing here just for chilling. Can't really swing too much, as you can see. Not too much room there to do some real swinging, but nonetheless, very cozy and comfy to come out here, relax, enjoy your coffee, look at your land, look at your lake, whatever your views are on your land. The views here on my model, on my lot here, are just next to the road, so obviously not the best views, but good for sales. Folks can find me easy. So let's go inside, and I'll stop right here real quick, and before we go all the way in. So let's show you to the left here. It's your living room area. 5 nice size windows. Okay. I got my sliding door open here. That's why it's so loud. All these cars coming by. Got the glass sliding door open here. But it is very well insulated, and when I close that door, it gets a lot more quiet. And then on this side, you got your Amish Built Cabinets. Okay, those are included in the price of this cabin. And look at the construction, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Now, a lot of people straight ahead, they'll put a door right here, and that way they can put a back porch. Okay, but some people don't want the back porch, and that's where their TV's going right there. So you can kind of get creative with it. Let me close this glass sliding door, make it a little bit more quiet in here. There you go. And obviously, Amish Built Cabins. We got to have the Amish Built furniture as well, but lots of windows here for natural light. Now, this particular model, which we call the El Chapo Muchacho model, is offered as a 1-bedroom and as a 2-bedroom, okay? So today's prices, and this is February 6th, 2024. I like to timestamp this because prices are subject to change. But as of today, this cabin is $69,000 for the 1-bed, 1-bath. And if you want us to put electric in it, because you'll notice there's no electrical outlets, it is truly Amish built. They don't use electric. We do have an electrician that will go ahead and install all the electrical outlets in the 200 amp panel into the cabin for you. And that would be $79,000 instead of $69,000 if you want the electrical package, okay? So the electric, just so you know, is run along the internal wall by a certified electrician, a licensed electrician, and then the Amish will come behind the electrician and hide all that conduit in nice clean wooden trim. So you don't see any exposed electrical wire or conduit when it's all said and done. Someone's already been through here today. As you can see, they left this slightly open. So let's explain what this is. This is in the hallway on the way to the bedroom. To the left here is where your bathroom's gonna go, right? Obviously this is a model, so we don't have any bathroom fixtures in here, but you can put your standard tub, toilet, and sink in here. Some folks like the window, some folks get rid of it. In the hallway here, you got a spot for a front-loading washer and dryer. Some folks like that idea, some folks don't. Some folks will say, hey, let's make the bathroom a little bit bigger with this square footage and put a stackable over here for your washer and dryer. And then go through this door here, and we are into the bedroom. That is a queen size bed for reference. But as you can see, if you take out that nightstand on the right, you can get a king size bed in here. So it's quite spacious. It's got a couple little closets there, which most folks don't like. Most folks, like I said, they will take that wall out of in between those two closets and make it one big closet with a barn sliding door on the front to slide up and down or slide side to side. A couple of nice good sized windows here. Let's head back to the front. And guys, we now also, oh yeah, that's what the Amish wanted me to mention as well. We now also offer a layaway plan. So a lot of folks, they want to make sure, since prices are subject to change, they want to lock in this year's pricing. So if you are interested in our layaway program, it is super cool. How it works is to lock in the pricing. All we need is 10% down. We don't charge any interest. So this is same as cash, 36 months, same as cash. And all you got to do, we don't have monthly payments or weekly payments or anything. All you got to do, if you're interested, is go to the website, fill out the form, AmishBuiltCabins.com, fill out the link that says layaway. Click on the link that says layaway and fill that out. And one of our reps will get back to you. And all you got to do is put 10% down and 10% a year. And you get 36 months interest free to get your financing in order or get your cash up to pay for your cabin. Many, many people love that program, and they'll lock in the pricing. It is extremely, extremely popular. And you got to love the fact that it's 36 months same as cash. So check out our layaway program at AmishBuiltCabins.com. The link is below. If you're interested in buying this cabin and you're worried about the price going up on you, lock it in. Like I said, you get a full 3 years to purchase your cabin without having to worry about the price going up on you. And all you got to do is put 10% down a year to purchase your cabin without having to worry about the price going up on you. And all you got to do is put 10% down a year. So for example, this cabin here is $69,000. So you would only need to put $6,900 down to lock in your price. Then you can send payments to us at your leisure, whatever's comfortable for you. And as long as we get that 10% a year, that $6,900 a year, you're locked in, and by month 36 or before, get your financing in place, come pick up your cabin, and that way you get it at today's prices, not what the prices are going to be 3 years from now. Because as you know, that inflation ain't no joke. So lock it in if you're interested. We got the new layaway program. The link is in the bio. And yeah, that is today's tour. Make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button if you like what you see. I try to make a video as frequently as I can because it seems to be, no matter how many times I make the videos, there's more and more things that I can always cover that I didn't cover in a prior video, because there's a lot of questions that people got before they make a big purchase like this. So I do my best. Guys, my name's OC. They call me the Cabin Cowboy. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure you follow me on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok. My phone number is 502-298-8946 if you're ready to order or you just have some questions. Once again, 502-298-8946. Thank you all. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for tuning in to AmishBuiltCabins.com.